Hello everyone, my name is Vishali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Without any further wait, today we are going to talk about that how you can avoid or ignore negativity and negative people from your life. So let's get into the video. Very first and most important thing is you have to do is stop taking everything personally. Um, if someone is giving you their opinion, you take it like, oh my god, if this person says something about me, they might be so true and I am like that. I have to do this now, I have to do, and you all you do is thinking about that. But it's not like that. It's always, if someone is giving you their opinion, it's not even related 1% related to you. It's always about that person's mentality, like how they think, you know. If someone is saying, wow, your hairs are so pretty, you're so pretty, like your nature is really good, you're such a kind person, it's not about you, it's about them. They are the nice person, they only see good things in other people. See, if someone is saying something bad about you, I don't think you look good today, they might not be satisfied with themselves. It's not about you, that there is something in you that you need to do. No, it's about them, it's their mentality, it's how their brain works, it's all about their thinking. It is nothing related to you. You don't have to do anything. If someone is saying something, just listen and forget. Don't give a damn about that. Second thing, surroundings. Like if you think that किसी की बुरी संगत आपको बुरा सोचने पे मजबूर नहीं कर सकती, then you are very wrong. Go and sit with like two peoples like for a month, जो हमेशा all they talk about is negativity. All they say, कुछ नहीं कर पाए हम जिंदगी में, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, we can't do anything. You will automatically started think like them, the key, they are right, we are doing nothing, we can do nothing, and nothing is happening. And if you sit with people who have mindset to do something big, like they want to achieve their dreams, they want to do everything in their life, they want to do, and if you sit with them, you will automatically started thinking like, yeah, we have to do something, things are going too late, we have to start now, we have to start doing something right now, ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है, सब कुछ करना है जो हमें पसंद है. तो आपका ब्रेन वैसे ही चीज़ों को सोचने लग जाता है. The positive and the negative energy is so real and the influence is so real. So don't sit with such people who have negative mindset, negativity inside them, who always talk bad, always do, nothing. Don't surround yourself with such persons. Very basic and important. Avoid unnecessary argument. Like if someone is saying, yeah, you don't look good in this, okay, your hair are a little weird, okay, you look a little fat, okay, and what do I do with that? Okay, this is who I am, this is how I look, this is how I talk, this is how I walk. Who give a damn about your opinion? Don't try to explain yourself. No, it's not like, I'm a postpartum mother. No, I'm facing hair fall. No, the acne is really bad. I know, but it's not like that. I'm working. No, this is who I am. This is the face of my life. This is what I'm going through. If you can't help me, just leave, okay? And if you can't say them leave and they are saying something bad about you, bye. If you can't say bye to the person, say bye to their talk. Bye. What do I do with that? No. Stop letting other people's opinion affect you. Last but not the least, set clear boundaries. Okay? People are more interested in the arguments, in the conflicts, more than the solution. They know we can solve this thing like that, we can talk like that, we can be polite, and we could be generous. But no, they choose to do that because this is how they get fun, this is how they are, this is how their mind are. But be the smartest person, and set boundaries. If you are saying this, who gives a damn if someone is saying something you, okay. If a stupid person will tell me that the earth is flat, I'll believe and leave. Because why the hell I will drain my energy in such person who is not ready to listen. And if the, they know the fact, they know the reality, they know the truth, but still they choose to do this because this is so much fun for them. But you are not like that. You chose peace, over this stupid things. So okay, whatever you say, live with it. And don't ever try to think like we can change this person's mentality, we can change them, we can make them a better person. You can't do that because they already know what is right or what is wrong. All they want to do is say. They don't want to listen anything because they already know the truth, but they don't give a damn about the truth. All they care about is the conflicts, the problems. This is how they entertain themselves. So try to stay away from that type of peoples, okay? And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will come back tomorrow with new video, with new thoughts, with new everything. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you. Bye.